Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a set of 102 pieces of magnetic building tiles from Soyee. This is a perfect toy set for 3-year-old and up. Within the box you have different size and shape of tiles that you can use to create your own creation, as well as a bag that when you are done with it, you can put all the tiles inside the bag. Now it's really up to the kid how they want to use the tiles to play. They can create different things or create different shape of stuff. So the gameplay is very open-ended. And it's very suitable for kids at a young age, as that kind of inspired them to create new stuff.